Top 20 Romanian religious names for boys. Numele meu complet este Voicu Mihnea Simandan. My full name is Voicu Mihnea Simandan. Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. This is the first episode in a new series called Learn Romanian Names, in which, obviously, I will teach you Romanian names. Hai să începem! Let's start! Traditionally, Romanian boys were given names from the Romanian Orthodox calendar. Mine is not, but here are 20 boys' names influenced by the Romanian Orthodox Church listed in alphabetical order, with their equivalent in English. 1. Andrei, Andrei, Andrew. 2. Constantin, Constantine, Constantine. 3. Cristian, Cristian, Christian. 4. Daniel, Daniel, Daniel. 5. Dan, Dan, Dan. 6. Gheorghe, Gheorghe, or Gheorghe, Gheorghe, George. 7. Grigore, Grigore, Gregory. 8. Ilie, Ilie, Elijah. 9. Ioan, Ioan, or Ioan, Ioan, John. 10. Iacob, Iacob, Jacob or James. 11. Laurențiu, Laurențiu, Lawrence. 12. Luca, Luca, Luke. 13. Marcu, Marcu, Mark. 14. Matei, Matei, Matthew. 15. Mihail, Mihail, or Mihai, Mihai, Michael. 16. Nicolae, Nicolae, or Niculaie, Niculaie, Nicholas. 17. Pavel, Pavel, or Paul, Paul, Paul. 18. Petru, Petru, or Petre, Petre, obviously Peter. 19. Ștefan, Ștefan, Stephen. 20. Vasile, Vasile, Basil. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Share with us in the comment section below a common boy's name from your country. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Bangkok.